Alright, let's discuss this question. Find the value for this one. Alright, so when we see function like this, we will multiply with the n plus 1 plus 1. This is a conjugate, up and down. Right, we will multiply with the conjugate n plus 1 up and down, multiply with the n, multiply with the third n plus 1 minus 1. So we have a minus b, a plus b. So in short, we can write a squared minus b squared. So is a is square root n plus 1 square minus 1 square over n, and then bracket is square root n plus 1 plus 1. Then this one, the limit, n approaches 0. So we need to simplify limit n approaches 0. For n plus 1 square root, when we square, we cancel out the square root minus 1 over n square root n plus 1 plus 1. So we can simplify like this. We can cancel out the 1. We can also cancel out the n here. So finally, when we substitute, we have 1 over square root 0 plus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 1 over square root 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 1 over 2. Right? So that is how we find the limit for the question like this. So for this one, we will multiply with third n plus 3 plus 2 up and down to rationalize the denominator. Alright, so we will rationalize the denominator. So we will write plus 2. Okay, multiply. So let's simplify it. Okay, so we are going to expand carefully so that we can get answer. So let's see, I'm going to use a third n plus 3 square minus 2 square over n minus 1, and then third n plus 3 plus 2, right? So we will get the answer, which is n plus 3 minus 4 over n minus 1 third n plus 3 plus 2. Can you see there is there's a n minus 1, isn't it? So this one is n approaches 1, and this thing is n minus 1, right? So we can cancel out the common factor, right? So before we substitute, we need to cancel the common factor first. We need to simplify to the simplest form before we substitute the n equal to 2 into the balance, which is 1 over third 1 plus 3. When you see n, you substitute 1 plus 2. So the answer will be 1 over third 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 1 over 4. So that is how you solve the question involving limit. Alright, that's all my sharing for today. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.